Hello students, this video clip is the explanation of computer application for class 9 chapter 1. I hope that you will have received the PDF file that contains the important notes of chapter 1 like this. Let us start the first topic, computer application. Computer application. To solve a particular problem on computer, we need a software or computer application that contains many programs. For example, a computer application for library may contain many programs such as program to issue a book, program to receive a book, program to display the list of book, etc. So we can say that computer application is a set of program to perform a set of specific tasks to solve a particular problem. Program. As we know, computer works on our instruction. To solve a particular problem, a computer system needs many instructions as a set or bunch. So program is a set of instructions arranged in sequential and logical order to get the desired output. Programmer. Programmer is simply a person who writes a program. If we write a program, then we will be a programmer. Programming. The process of writing a computer program is known as programming, and programming languages. To write a program, we need a programming language that provides the syntax and other commands to write a program. For examples, Basic, C, C++, Java, etc. These are the examples of programming language in which we write a program. Programming paradigm. A concept or way of programming. Some programming languages focus on task or procedure such as Basic, C, etc. Whereas Java and some other programming languages focus on data rather than procedure. So it is known as object-oriented programming language. Next, principle of object-oriented programming language. There are certain principles defined for any object-oriented programming language, which are data abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Out of this, it should have the ability to work with class and object. And what is class? A class is a logical concept on which many objects can be created, whereas object is a physical entity. For example, human being is a class, then we all are the objects of that class. If book is a class, then physics book, chemistry book, etc. are the examples of object. Every class and object has some characteristics and behaviors. Characteristics are also known as attributes, and behaviors are the actions that is represented by functions or methods. Data abstraction. Data abstractions is the act of representing essential feature without knowing its background details or explanation. As for given example, to change a TV channel, we only need to know about the buttons of remote, which button is used to increase the volume, which button is used to change the channel, rather than what is happening inside. This feature is known as data abstraction. Encapsulation is a mechanism that binds the attributes and behaviors of a class. in a single unit. For example, all the complexity of TV remote are hidden inside the remote button. This is the process of encapsulation, and we can say that encapsulation provides the data abstraction. By using encapsulation, we bind the all complexity inside a class, so we can use easily it inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism by which one class acquires the property of another class. It provides the reusability. One class is already defined, then we can make another class by using that class. And in this process, there are two types of classes. The common class that get inherited is called the parent class, base class, or superclass, and the class that inherits from the common class is called the child class, derived class, or subclass. One feature is polymorphism. Polymorphism means many form. It is the ability of a function or an object to acquire multiple forms. For example, the work of plus. If we use it on numeric or integers, it will give 2 plus 3, 5. When 2 and 3 are enclosed in double inverted comma, then it will be a string. And after concatenation, it will give the result 2, 3. And when it is enclosed in single quotation mark, then it is a character. Or in this case, it returns the value of the Unicode of 2 plus value of the Unicode of 3, that is 101. Simply using method overloading, we can use area function to find the area of different shapes. About method overloading we have to discuss later. That's all about the notes. Thank you.